Yes. Now on the screen, a question will come for group E. So you are ready, Samriddhi? Only your answer will be valid. In group E, only Samriddhi's answer will be valid. Aryan and Sahil's and Nishika's answer will be not valid if they give the answer, because their camera is not on. Only Samriddhi can give the answer. Okay? So, first question to you, group E. The question is on the screen. Find the distance of the point -6, 8 from the origin. Find the distance of the point -6, 8 from the origin. Your options are A, 8, B, 11, C, 10, D, 9. Your time starts. For audience, take a question. Which state has the highest for audience? Ria, you are present or not? Okay. Yes. So, which state has the highest number of members in its state assembly? Name the state. Which state has the highest number of members in its state assembly? Samriddhi, your question, your camera is off. Your answer will be not. Your answer will be not considered, because once the camera is off means your answer will be not considered. Samriddhi. Okay. कौन लिखा है? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't switch off the cameras. Camera should.
Sir, while giving the answer, the camera is being off.
No, don't give the answer. Just type in the chat box.
Yes, sir. That only I was doing.
Okay. Then you tell only the option. Mic is on for you.
C.
Only one student is present in group E. So I have on the mic. Okay. Time.
C.
Fast. 1 minute 4 seconds.
Sir, C.
C. Okay. Sure. Shall I lock it? Don't ask to anyone. Someone is near to you.
No, sir.
That's why the camera should be on. That's why the camera should be on, so that you cannot take the help from anyone, or you cannot use Google.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Your answer is final, na? Yes. So you can see the answer. Your answer is correct. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Other students also can solve. Let's see the next question. Second question for group E. A circus artist is climbing 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Again, I am repeating. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Your time starts. Options are A 10 meter, B 15 meter, C 20 meter, D 35 meter. Other can also do. Either you can also do. Yes. Murdal Khetri. What you're writing, Murdal? Your answer is wrong. Audience. Let the next question. For audience, next question. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh.
Vertical
For
pole.
that question.
Vertical pole.
Who was the first female speaker of the Lok Sabha? Who was the first female speaker of the Lok Sabha?
To the
Audience,
ground. Find
for
the
you.
height of the pole.
Samriddhi, give the answer fast.
Yes, sir. And the height of the pole.
To whom you are discussing, I don't understand.
No, sir. I am only.
1 minute, 7 seconds.
Of the pole. Height of the pole is
Everyone is seeing you.
angle. The angle.
10 meter. Option B, 15 meter. Option C, 20 meter. Option D, 35 meter. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds is remaining. Yes, yes.
30.
Okay, many students, many audience have given the correct answer. Meera Kumar. Okay, that is the correct answer for audience. 1 minute 58 second, 1 minute 59 second, 2 minute. Over. Yes,
Option B.
but time is over, beta. 2 minute 2 second you have taken.
Sir, voice is not coming.
Yes. 2 minute 2 second you have given. You have selected option B. I will show the answer, but you will not get the marks. Okay? You will not
Sir,
get.
voice.
I will show the answer. See the answer. Answer is A. That is 10 meter. Okay? Next, move to the third question. Okay? Third question. It is on the screen. You can see it. The shadow of tower is equal.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Yes.
Sir, voice was not coming.
Students, I am audible to you? Write in chat box. Either I am audible to you, just show thumbs up. I can see you. Yes, all are saying that voice is proper, clear. One more question, fast. Yes. One more question. The shadow of a tower is equal to its height at 10:45 a.m. The sun's altitude is A 30 degree, B 45 degree, C 60 degree, D 90 degree. Your time starts now. The shadow of a tower is equal to its height. The shadow of a tower is equal to its height at 10:45 a.m. The sun's altitude is option A 30 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 60 degree, option D 90 degree. Let's see the audience question first. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution declares India as Article 1 of Indian
Sir,
Constitution.
option B.
Okay, Samruddhi have given the answer. Okay, option B. Sure, na? In 55 seconds, we have given the answer. Okay, let's see what is the answer. Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, so 3 question out of 3 question you have given 2 question answer and your mark is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Group D is eliminated. Group D. So Group A, Group B, Group C and Group E. So 4 group are there. So all of you ready for the second round? Sure. But I want everyone, Group A student, Group B student, Group C student and Group E student. All of you on the camera, please fast. Put on the cameras. Om has given the correct answer. Riya also given the correct answer for audience. Bhumi, she is not discussing. I asked her twice or thrice. One time she have given the wrong answer also. Okay? Okay. So let's see the first of all Group A student. Show the welcome to round 2. Okay? So all of you know what are the rules. Each team will get 5 questions. One question will carry 1 mark. Negative marking is there. Original you will be raised to give the answer. Okay? Because in one team 3 members are there. We should know who is going to give the answer. Okay? A versus B. Is it clear? Ready? First question on the screen for team A. A cylinder is molded into the shape of a sphere. Which of the following factors will be same for both the shape? Your time starts. Option A, none of these. Option B, curved surface area. Option C, surface area. Option D, volume. Again, I am repeating the question. It is theoretical question. A cylinder is molded into the shape of sphere. Which of the following factors will be same for both the shape? None of these. Option A, option B, curved surface area. Option C, surface area. D, volume. Who is raising hand? I want to see. Co-host also can see. Yes. Sanskriti have asked to unmute. Okay, Sanskriti, I am giving a chance to unmute.
Hello.
Yes,
Option
yes.
D, volume.
Answer D.
Option D, volume.
Okay, option D, volume. Sure.
Yes.
Anyone want to change the answer? From Group A, anyone want to change the answer? Final answer? Lock किया जाए? Sure? Okay. Okay. So I will show the answer now. Oh, very good. D, volume. Very good. And this is not any formula, just it is a practical knowledge questions. So no one can say anything. Okay, very good. Sanskriti, keep it up. Yes, second question is on the screen. P, Q, R and S are in AP. Then R minus Q is dash. Let's see the option A. S minus P, S minus Q, S minus R. None of these. Again, I'm repeating. If P, Q, R and S are in AP, then R minus S is option A. Your time starts, huh? R minus Q. Option A. S minus P. Option B. S minus Q. Option C. S minus R. Option D. None of these. Yes, audience, for you. Sorry, I have not given one question to you. Now, audience. Yes, no. Group B, privately they can send the answer, but they cannot tell. But your marks will be not considered. Yes, Group A, Diksha has raised the hand. Diksha. Yes.
Sir, option C.
Option?
C.
Option C. Okay, option C. Anyone want to change the answer? Group A student. Group A students. Anyone want to change the answer? No. Final? Shall I lock it now? Okay, answer C. Let's see now. Yes, option C is correct. S minus R. Okay. Now third question. But you raise the hand, Diksha, your hand is not blue color, hand is not seeing. And Neha also. Neha, your blue color hand is not visible. Blue hand is not visible. Okay. Yes. Third question to you. It is on your screen. Don't take any help. Huh? Please don't take any helps. You should play the polynomial equation x in the bracket x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to in the bracket x plus 2 in the bracket x minus 2 is your time starts a linear equation, quadratic equation, option C, cubic equation, option D, biquadratic equation. Again, I am repeating x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 in the bracket, x minus 2 in the bracket is option A, linear equation, option B, quadratic equation, option C, cubic equation, option D, quadratic equation. Yes, now, yes, I am giving one question to the audience. Wait, I am giving one question to you, audience. Where is the election commission located? Where is the election commission located? For audience, if the question is for audience. Your time is 1 minute 13 seconds. 1 minute 13 seconds is over. Group A, 1 minute 13 seconds is over. One minute 28 seconds. Audience have given the correct answer. New Delhi. Okay, Neha asked to unmute. Neha had asked to unmute. Anyone want to change?
Answer B, quadratic equation.
Sure. Anyone
Yes.
want to change the answer? Anyone want to change the answer from Group A, team, Group A, team, Group A? Anyone want to change the answer? Final answer? Okay. Let's see. What will you answer? You have to tell, I think B, correct na? Yes, note down. Answer B. Neha have said answer B. Yes. Let's see, Neha. What is your answer? You can see now. What is your answer? What is that? Neha. So your answer is wrong, Neha. The correct answer is option A. The correct answer is option A. Okay? Yes. So 1 mark is negative. 1 mark is negative. Next question to you in group A. Next question. 1 mark is subtracted to you. Next question. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that AB is equal to 12 centimeter and DE is equal to 14 centimeter, find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Your time starts. The options are 49 upon A, 49 upon 9, B, 36 upon 49, C, 49 upon 16, D, 25 upon 49. If you want, you can change the question, no problem is there, but only once you get the option to change the question. Okay? Let's see one more question to the audience. Audience, you are ready? Okay. आंसर नहीं दिया तो नेगेटिव मार्क्स नहीं होएगा. Sanskriti have asked to unmute. Sanskriti have done unmute to you.
Option B, 36 upon 49.
Which option? Tell the option.
Option B.
Option D.
B for ball.
B for birth. Okay. Option B. Note out. Option B. Note out. Anyone want to change the answer? Group A. Anyone want to change the answer? Final answer? Okay. See the answer. So what is your answer? Correct. Yes, na? Okay. Good. Good. Keep it up. Yes. Next question to you on the screen. Yes, class interval, frequency is given to you. You can read it, class interval and frequency. In the given data, the difference of the upper limit of the median class and the lower limit of the model class is dash. In the given data, the difference of the upper limit of the median class and the lower limit of the model class is dash. Your option first. Time starts. A, 38. B, option B, 20. Option C, 19. Option D, 0. Let's one question to the audience. Audience, who had raised? Yes, Neha has raised. Diksha also raised a hand. So I am giving Neha to first chance. Yes, Neha, I have unmuted you. You can give the answer. And Diksha, if you want, you can change the answer. Okay? Yes, Neha, you can tell the answer now. I don't understand to whom you are seeing, Neha. Don't look here and there. Just on your mobile or on your screen and straight, you can see straight. Don't look here and there. I have unmuted you.
Option B, 20.
Again.
Option B, 20.
Option B, not option B. Option B. Yes, anyone want to change the answer? Diksha? No? Okay. I am showing the answer now. Yes, correct. Your answer is right. So, team A is playing very well. Team B. Team A is playing very well. Correct, na? Yes. So, Now I think, okay, marks I will tell at the end. After both A and B team will be played. After that I will tell the marks. Now how many questions you got, team A? Show your finger, no problem. Like exam you are showing. You can show. 5 questions is over. Yes. Now team B, you are ready? Team A can put their hands down so that I can see only team B. Thank you, team A. Be ready, team B. And if the camera will off, I am not going to take your answer. Samir, if your camera will off, I am not going to take your answer. Remember it. Neeraj, Samir, both of you, only Om, camera is constant. You sit at one place, then your camera will be constant. If you are roaming in the room, your camera will not constant. The first question to beat, and the team A, you can also see that if anyone is helping them, you can indicate me. Okay? Yes. Team B, the first question is on your screen. Fast. Samir, your option. Wait. Samir, your camera is off. Again, I am giving the warning. If camera is off, we will not take your answer. Is it clear? The question is on the screen now. If TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ is 110 degree, then find the angle PTQ is equal to dash. Option A, 60 degree. Option B, 70 degree. Option C, 80 degree. Option D, 90 degree. Samir's camera is off, so it will be not considered. Neeraj's camera is also off. So Samir and Neeraj cannot give the answer. Only O will give the answer. Only O can give the answer. Audience question now. Audience question. Audience question. Fast. Number of standing committees in the Indian Parliament. Yes, yes. Team A can also give the answer of GK. Only GK. Audience question, you can give the answer. Number of standing committees in the Indian Parliament. In chat box only. Ria, your answer is wrong. Number of standing committees in the Indian Parliament. Yes. Group B. Om, you want to give the answer? Om, fast. Neeraj, your camera is many times off. I told you camera should not be off. Yes, if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that P angle, yes, O, I can see you. I am unmute you. You can unmute the answer. Type it please. Your voice is not clear. You can type. O. Show your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? O.
Option B 70. Option B 70.
Option B. Show the finger now. Show the finger. I can see you. I can see you. Show your finger. I think you have said option B. Correct? Sure na? Yes, you have written also option B. Yes. 1 minute 54 seconds. In 1 minute 54 seconds, you have given the answer. Let's see what is your answer. Yes, correct. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Samir and Neeraj, if you are roaming in the room, your cameras will be off. We will not consider your answer. It is my humble request. Please sit at one place so that your camera should still. Let's see the second question to you. Second question. Group B, second question to you. The length of a tangent drawn from a point at a distance of 10 centimeter of circle is 8 centimeter. The radius of the circle is, your time starts.
Sir,
Option
can C.
4 centimeter,
Sir,
option B
can C. Sir, can
5 centimeter, option C 6 centimeter, option D 7 centimeter.
screen. Can't see the screen. Screen is not visible.
Type it. Neeraj, you can type it. Your voice is not clear, so you can type it. I am giving you a chance. You can unmute also. Where is Om? Om's camera is switched off, so we will not consider Om's answer. Om and Samir both cameras off, so we will not consider their answer. Only Neeraj also camera off, so we are not going to consider the answer. Neeraj, why your cameras off? Okay. Option C you have selected. Neeraj has given the answer because Neeraj has already raised the hand, so I will give him chance. Okay. Okay. So option C. Let's see. Yes, correct. Option C. Your answer is correct. Option C. Let's see the third question to you. For audience, none of have given the correct answer. Audience, try it. You can try, audience. Now, third question. Neeraj and Samir's camera, Om is not, Om's camera is not on. Only hands are raised. It will be not considered. To divide a line segment, PQ is the ratio 5:7. First, a ray PX is drawn so that angle QPX is an acute angle and then at equal distance. Point R marked on the X rays PX such that the minimum number of these points is option A. I am repeating the question. To divide a line segment PQ in the ratio 5:7, first a ray PX is drawn so that angle QPX is an acute angle and then at equal distance point are marked on the ray PX such that the minimum number of these points is, your time starts. Option A 5, option B 7, option C 12, option D 10. Your time starts. It is a practical question, huh? It is a practical question. Audience, your answer is 45. Audience answer is 45, committee. Audience answer is 45. Okay. Group B. It is your third question. Samir's camera is off. It's Om, you have Neeraj's camera is off. Neeraj and Samir answer will be not taken. For 1 second it will be, but Samir more than 1 second is there. Samir and Neeraj more than 1 second is there. Okay. Om, you can, yes, Om. Your answer will be considered. Only Om answer will be considered. Only Om's answer will be considered. Tell Om. Om, I have unmuted you.
Sir, option C 12.
Huh?
Option C.
Option? Show with the finger, na? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do chat, na, if camera is off. I am owning, I am switching the mic, na?
Sir, option C.
Option 3.
12.
C.
12.
Correct,
C,
na?
C. Yes.
क्या बोल रहा है? Om have written C. Okay, Om have written C. Anyone want to change the answer? No. Okay. It is your final answer. Let's see. Option C. I don't understand. Please, student, your camera should not be off. Huh? Only in B team it happens. Team A has shown the camera clear cut, but in group B, always camera is off. Especially Neeraj and Samir. Your answer will be not considered. Yes, next question, fourth question. You have option also to change the question. You can utilize that option also. 5 years ago, A was thrice as old as B, and 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. What is the present age of A? Your time starts. Option A, 20. Option B, 50. Option C, 60. Option D, 40. Amit's camera is not visible. Amit's camera is not visible. His answer will be not considered. Only Om and Neeraj, you will be considered. Om and Neeraj's answer will be considered. Samir's answer will be not considered. I am repeating here again. Next audience will take one question. Audience, question is for you. Which state first adopted the Panchayati Raj in India in 1959? Again, I am repeating the question. Which state first adopted the Panchayati Raj in India in 1959? It is for audience. Yes, group B. 1 minute is over. 1 minute 4 seconds is over. Neeraj, I have unmuted you.
Sir.
Wait. Om, wait. Okay, give the chance to Om. Neeraj, say anything?
Sir, बोलूं? Sir, बोलूं?
I have given
Option
chance.
B. Option B.
B. Okay.
Yes.
B.
B.
Final.
50. Yes.
Neeraj, change the answer.
50. 50. Option B. No.
Okay. Option B. Let's see the answer. Let's see the answer. Option B. Okay, it is correct. Option B. So I think your question is over. In 1 minute 25 seconds, you have given the answer. Let's see the fifth question. Correct? This is your fifth question. Your camera should continue on. If the sum of three numbers in an AP is 9 and their product is 24, then find that number. Options are A, 246, option B, 153, option C, 284, option D, 234. Yes, group B. Group B. Yes, Neeraj have raised the hand. Neeraj had raised the hand. So Neeraj,
Yes, last time.
Sir, option D. Option D.
D.
2, 3, 4.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Who want to change the answer?
Sir, yes. Wait.
So
Sir,
it is
wait at last.
okay. Sure na? Okay.
Yes.
Option D you have selected. Group B. And it is your last question. Let's see.
Option D. Option
Yes.
D.
Option D. 2, 3, 4. So it is correct answer. So out of 5 question, your 5 question is over. Okay. As you know that your first round and second round marks are carried forward. Okay. Your first round and second round. Yes, first round's marks are carried forwarded in the round second. Okay. Now it is option. Oh, time is also over. Only 1 minute is remaining. So we will see the marks on next day. We'll do. Suspense should be posed on. Suspense should be there. Na? Yes or no? So group C and which one group? Check it. Yes, group C and group E. You can play tomorrow. Okay? Group C and group E. So you understood which type of questions will come. Okay? The marks I have written, but I will not tell the marks. Okay? Marks I will tell tomorrow. Okay? The group which will be win here from A and B will go to direct in the round third. Is it clear? That is rapid fire round. That is rapid fire round. Okay? Time comes to say goodbye to you.
Bye, sir.
I will tell